Hi everybody, Dale Simpson from Thomas Westcott. I promised in my last video to give you an update on the secondary legislation for MTD once we had that published. It was indeed published last week, but beware, it's published in draft form with a consultation period that doesn't end until the 10th of November 2017. I'm expecting there to be an awful lot of commentary from businesses and professional bodies alike. It's anticipated by HMRC that the final legislation will then be published on or before April 2018, so that it's at least 12 months ahead of the first staging dates for MTD. All software must use what they're referring to as Application Programming Interface, or API. And those APIs, as I understand it, mean that taxpayers and HMRC will be able to communicate with one another digitally in the same format. Taxpayers are going to be required to keep all of their records in an approved digital form. From those digital records, they will then be required to create their VAT returns and to submit the VAT returns to HMRC using the API. The taxpayers will also need to be able to receive information from HMRC via their API. Up until now, the software providers have been concentrating on writing their packages to deal with income tax, but now they're going to have to change course and get their packages ready to deal with VAT matters. And this means that during the next 18 months or so, the software providers are going to have to deal with some of the nuances of VAT, such as partial exemption, flat rate schemes, second-hand goods schemes, capital goods. Going to be an awful lot of work to do, and I am quite sure that we're going to see more changes during the course of that next 18 months. I'll try to keep you up to date as soon as there's some more firm information. Thanks very much for now.